Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can join a group chat on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find your chats. Here you're going to find people, and right here you're going to find the stories that you have. So right now, I'm going to go back to chats. Right here in chats, you're going to find all of your conversations. And here in the top, you're going to find your notes and also your friends' notes. So right now, if you want to join a group chat on Messenger, you need to be invited or the person can add you directly, and you need to find it right here in the chats section. If you want to create a group chat, it's pretty easy. All you need to do, guys, is click on the pen icon in the top right corner. And then once you do that, you need to uh, choose right here if you want to create a group chat or a community. Right now, I'm going to click on group chat and then just go ahead and choose the people you want to add to the group chat. So I'm going to go back right here and then go ahead and choose who you want to add to this group chat. It needs to be at least 2 people. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on create. Then you're going to be able to create the group chat. So right here, you can send any message that you want, and it will be like any conversation that you have. If you click on the icon in the top right corner, this will take you right here where you can access all of your the media files and links right here in this group chat. So right now, I'm going to go back right here, and then you should find the group chat in your conversations. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.